Hey everyone, let's make high protein chocolate cookies packing about 25 grams of protein and 15 grams of carbs per serving. So I begin by taking 2 ripe bananas in a bowl and mashing them using a fork. First goes the Whey chocolate protein powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, melted peanut butter, melted dark chocolate, and of course unsweetened chocolate chips. I'll simply combine everything to make my cookie dough. Using a cookie scooper, I'll scoop out the cookie dough balls and place them on the baking dish. I'll bake these cookies at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for just 15 minutes. And once these are done, I'll simply sprinkle some sea salt on top and these are good to go. These cookies are free of preservatives or any artificial sweeteners, so much better than the ones we buy at our retail stores at such hefty prices. So forget buying them and make at your own home today. Do subscribe for more such healthy recipes. Have a great day.